There has been a zombie outbreak. We advise you to stay in your homes and avoid getting bit. If you get bit, quarantine yourself.
In 3 months and nothing's changed.
At least we're working on an antidote.
Hey guys, so I finished the antidote, and we just need to test it out to see if it works. Wait, someone's missing. Where's Vicky? Get your guns! They bit me! They bit me! Get your guns away from her. What's that? Give the antidote now!
Are you okay?
Vicky?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay, thanks guys. Thanks.
Guys, I'm exhausted. I need some rest. How about we just talk about this in the morning?
Hello?
Yeah, I got the antidote. Turns out it works. I know Myra can actually do something right. Meet me outside the house in half an hour. By the way, I just planted the bomb. What do you think you're doing? Oh, Allison, you're the easiest best friend. Everybody get out! Vic's planted the bomb! Go, go! Hurry, guys, run! Joe, hit her! Put him down. Put him down. Oh.
Let her go.
Oh, you guys actually thought I wasn't gonna shoot her. Myra! Ah! We have to go. Oh, look. You have to go. Go. Me at the field. You know the one. I got the. Just meet me there.
Oh, she's here.
Where's Romero? If someone took it, bro, get it back. I swear. You what? Stop! What's so funny? Nothing. Help me, please. Someone help me. Well, maybe if I have the antidote, but. Eva! No. What do you want with the antidote? To destroy it. So we can be the last people on Earth while everyone dies off by being just like zombies. There's no more room on this planet for people like you.
Oh, she's awake.
My God! I forget my life.